is India won the World Cup in 1983. And at the age of 10, I didn't understand the significance of winning that trophy. Because everyone was celebrating, I joined the party and I was celebrating. Holding that beautiful trophy which I chased, as Boris said, for 22 years. But the only good thing, I never gave up. I never lost hope. Very rarely, the entire country celebrates.
You won World Cup on your sixth and final attempt. What is like? What was the moment you won? What was your emotions?
Well, my journey started in 1983 when I was only 10 years old. And why I say 1983 to the guys who don't follow cricket is India won the World Cup in 1983. And at the age of 10, I didn't understand the significance of winning that trophy. Because everyone was celebrating, I joined the party and I was celebrating. But somewhere I knew something special had happened to our country, and I wanted to experience that one day. And that's where my journey began. With the trophy in my hand, you know what, we saw this image. There is a tricolor in my hand, which obviously was the proudest moment of my life. And also holding that beautiful trophy which I chased, as Boris said, for 22 years. But the only good thing, I never gave up. I never lost hope. I was merely lifting that trophy on behalf of my countrymen, India. And that has given me a lot of satisfaction. The 24 years that I played cricket for India has been a dream come true for me. I couldn't have asked for anything more. How many times do you get an event happening where there are no mixed opinions, there are no mixed views? Very rarely the entire country celebrates. Very rarely there are no various opinions. Everyone sits together and they celebrate. I had the honor of meeting the great man in South Africa, President Nelson Mandela, when I was only 19. Out of many big messages that he left behind with us, the most important I felt was sport has got power to unite, to unify everyone. And this is a reminder again of how powerful sport is and what magic it does to all our lives. I think we experienced that. We experienced the power of sport, and that has stayed with me even now when I watch that moment. Really amazing.
Well done, mate. Congrats.